to share the expertise as far as the work that you have been doing in the past 2 days is concerned. I want to say I am very much honored to be given the privilege to make the closing remarks on this very important occasion. But in order to do that, allow me to register my profound gratitude on behalf of management for the good work you have been doing over these past 2 days, particularly the people that came from IICBA to share their expertise, but also to show us the way forward. As already alluded to by Director Jeng, it's the beginning of a journey. And we hope and pray that you will open up more opportunities as far as Gambia is concerned, because the issues that we are talking about are all very paramount as far as government agenda is concerned. Teacher welfare, its competency, its comportment, its training, its skills are very important as far as teaching and learning is concerned. As a country, we are challenged by quality education now, which is everybody's problem. We all talked about how do you improve on the quality. And the first port of call when we talk about teacher quality, quality education is the teacher component. And that is what you have been discussing these 2 days. I therefore want to thank everybody, and particularly the core team who have started this work a few years ago, for their perseverance, for their patience, but for their commitment to ensure that we are able to arrive where we are today. We also would want to use the opportunity to challenge them that they should not be complacent or rest in their laurels, but should buckle up and be prepared to push the agenda forward, because they are just starting the work. How do we address the challenges as far as the teacher is concerned? It's enormous. But I am very much convinced with the caliber of people in this house, surrounding the core team, the sky is the limit as far as Gambia is concerned. For our colleagues from IICBA, we want to assure you the commitment, the readiness, the preparedness of government to collaborate with you to help us to address our challenges as far as teacher competency is concerned. Make sure that don't hesitate to knock on our doors at any point in time, because as a ministry, we are ready to collaborate with anybody who is coming to help us to address our challenges. We are a developing country. We have the expertise. Sometimes the resources is our main challenge. The little you may pour in, the little you may bring in, can make a lot of difference as far as our work is concerned. And therefore, I want to appeal to you, gentlemen, when you get back to your offices, when you are designing the projects, when you are sharing the cake, don't forget about the campaign. We need it more than any other person. And I am sure, I can assure you, as a country, we will never let you down. Yesterday, we were informed that you are trying Gambia and Sierra Leone in the Anglophone West Africa. I am telling you, or promising you, that we will be the best setter as far as this work is concerned. We are known for that, and we will not let you down. So on that note, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I want to thank you very much, and please, let's keep up the momentum. Thank you very much.